Hello, in this video I'm gonna do a firmware update of the remote for a ZTE Android TV Box. Sometimes you need to update the ZTE Android TV Box. Sometimes you need to update the remote. In order to update the remote, you can see I got the notification. You don't need to have it in order to check if there's an update available. Just go to Settings, then go to Remotes and Accessories, select your remote, and go to Firmware version. If it doesn't do anything here, then try going to a notification, and let's try to go to the notification. Okay, so it was the only way I could do it. Let's just continue here. Wait a moment until the remote finishes the update. Now the remote is updated. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.